Gene Hansen, the North Dakota farmer whom President Trump called a great American, has created messages in his field before. But this time, instead of using his plow, he used his neighbor's cows, approximately 150 of his young black Angus cattle, who live across the road from his farm in Edgeley. "It's the Christmas season," Hansen said, "and I thought it would be really nice if we put down the feed in the sign of a cross," and we did. The retired great-grandfather wanted to form the cross to remind people of the birth of Jesus as the reason for the season. "It's just a Christian area," he said. Hansen also has a large cross erected in his own cow pasture, 25 feet tall and 15 feet wide, along U.S. Highway 281. He put solar lights on it so people can see it at night. Last year, he plowed the message "Merry Christmas" the size of a football field and gained national headlines and the attention of President Trump when he plowed "We Stand for the National Anthem." While his latest message was religious, he said the next one will probably be political. Some of his previous messages include "Drain the Swamp," "Vote Trump," and "Blue Lives Matter."